What's good, guys? Today we have another pair here. I think this is the perfect pair for me to wear, with my outfit and everything. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get into it. We got the Dusty Olive Dunk Lows. You know that this pair actually has, released previously. It takes inspiration, from what I was reading from the Misfits band. As well as, of course, the Dunk low silhouette is definitely inspired by like the 80s and 90s era of basketball, having the low top, the low top sneaker and everything. I know that for the most part they were wearing high tops, but this shoe is inspired by that particular era. But it has this this dope suede. See if we get a focus for me. It has this dope suede all around the shoe, with the brown toe box and middle section, and then back here the canvas brown, and then like the suede swoosh, the heel tab, as well as all the other parts of the shoe that has this green suede. So it's not a lot to say about this shoe. I'm definitely loving it for sure, especially with the pop of orange in there. I always like to add in colors with my customs that kind of like pop things off. Hopefully this is focusing good for us. My camera's acting a little crazy, but it's all good and everything. So yeah, like I said, we have the Nike Dunk Low Dusty Olives. I actually hit on the sneakers app. I know resale is probably a little crazy right now because resellers like to run the numbers up. But yeah, so I thank y'all for sticking throughout this video. As I do more of these, I'll get more comfortable, kind of make it more entertaining, or make it better or whatever. So I'm always open to your constructive criticism, constructive feedback, because at the end of the day, I want to put out something that you all like to see. So again, thank y'all so much. Let's keep on striving for greatness. Peace.